Well, hello everyone. My name is Tom, and I flip cars for a living. I have a small dealership that is actually at my house. I have a small office down here, but the cars are at my house, and my office is here, so I don't have far to go to work. It works out pretty good. I've honestly tried to do some YouTube videos before. I don't know why, but I enjoy doing them. I've just not been consistent with them. But hopefully this one here will start the consistency. I'll tell you a little bit about what I do and what the channel is going to be about. And hopefully my goal is to get 1,000 subscribers. So it would amaze me to do that. But I really would like to. And we'll go from there. I usually try to keep around 8 to 12 cars. Right now I'm actually a little low, which my wife is driving one. And see how many we got here. 2, 4, 6, 8. I've got 8 right now. And 9 really, because my wife's driving one. Right here is one of the cars I have. It's a 2003 Kia Sorento. It has 161,000 miles on it, but it's a good car. Runs out great. Then up here I've got a 2001 Ford F-250 V10 Super Duty 5-speed. Right there it is. I have a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Leather loaded out. I have a 2007 Ford Expedition Limited. I mean, it's the nicest one I've ever had, and I've had a few of them. I have a 2008 Mazda CX-7, and I do cheaper cars too, like the Subaru here and the Kia. The Subaru is already sold. My wife sold it to my brother-in-law. Sold it, yeah, that's right. But anyway, I have a 2006 Range Rover that I'm having a little problems with the air suspension on it. We're going to do a video on working on it. And then I have a 2009 Mini Cooper S 6-speed car. It needs an alternator on it, and we're going to take care of that in the next day or two as soon as it comes in. And that's what I do. So hopefully you all will like the channel and subscribe. Like I said, my goal is for 1,000 subscribers. And we'll go from there. Please comment below and like, and be sure to subscribe. And hopefully you can share it and other people will subscribe too. Help an old country boy out. I couldn't be a movie star, but maybe I can be a YouTube star. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.